Very good morning to all my Indians. The Article 23rd, we are talking or discuss about Article 23. Right against exploitation, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. This is our topic today. Article 23 prohibits traffic in human beings, forced labors and other similar forms of forced labors. Contravention of this law is a punishable offense. It is applicable for both citizen and non-citizens. Protects the individual not only against the state but also a private person. The term traffic expressed here, human beings include selling and buying of men, women and children like a commodity. Immoral traffic in women and children including prostitution, devadasi and slavery. Punish these acts, the Parliament has made the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. The term beggar means compulsory work without any remuneration. It was practicing in India under the local jamindari system, and sometimes they forced their tenants to render the service without any payment. In addition to beggar, Article 23 prohibits other similar forced labor like bonded labor. The term forced labor here described about getting work against their will. They are not interested in that work, but the external force, the private or state, whatever may be that, they forced the person, human being, to work against his or her will. Forced, but also forcing arising from. What are the forcing? What are the forcement? The compulsion of economic circumstance, physical and illegal forces or legal forces, whatever may be it. Working for less than minimum wage. In these regards, the Bonded Labor System Abolition Act 1976, the Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Contract Labor Act 1970 and Equal Remuneration Act 1976 were made for safeguard our Indian citizen from all these evils, all these problems. The Article 23rd also provide for exemption to this one, because if he or she needed for a public service or some compulsory, for example, military services or social services, in a critical circumstance, a government can employ them. This is the exemption in this Article 23rd, because it is a need for our country. So we have to render our service without anything, without required anything for this. This is a bound, it has a bound that the bound to no pay. However, imposing such a service, the state is not permitted to make any discrimination. That is a main key word here, discrimination, without any discrimination on a ground or not only religion, race, caste or class. So we have to render our service whenever the government need our requirement. This is about prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. If you like my channel, please share this video with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.